Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. Is it worth the premium price? The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a top-tier, wired smart doorbell packed with advanced features. But does its performance justify the higher price tag? Let's break down the pros and cons. The Pro 2 boasts superior video quality. Expect sharp 1536p HD video with a full head-to-toe view. Color night vision enhances visibility in low-light conditions. Advanced motion detection is another key strength. It uses radar, video analysis, and passive infrared sensors to minimize false alerts. Customizable motion zones let you focus on specific areas. Seamless integration with the Amazon ecosystem is a major plus. Use voice commands with Alexa and view live feeds on Echo Show or Fire TV devices. It also works well with other Ring security products. The doorbell features a sleek design and build. Its slim profile and interchangeable faceplates blend with any home. The wired connection ensures consistent power. A Ring Protect subscription is required for full functionality. Without it, you're limited to live view and basic notifications. Subscriptions start at $4.99 per month. Compatibility with non-Amazon platforms is limited. It lacks integration with Google Home and Apple HomeKit. This could be a deal-breaker for some users. Some users report muffled audio from visitors. This is especially noticeable if they aren't speaking directly into the device. The initial cost is higher than many competitors. This might be a concern for budget-conscious consumers. A Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 excels with its high-resolution video and advanced motion detection. Its seamless Amazon integration is another advantage. However, consider the subscription requirement, limited platform compatibility, and